Two-factor authentication, not working on Nutmeg App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Nutmeg app, don't panic, this happens more often than you think. The good news: it's usually an easy fix that only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. Let's start with the most common reason: your phone's time setting. Two-factor authentication codes rely on your device and Nutmeg servers being perfectly synchronized. Go to your phone settings and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Even a few seconds of difference can make your code invalid. Next, make sure your Nutmeg app is fully updated. Outdated versions can create login errors, especially after Nutmeg rolls out new security features. Visit the App Store or Google Play and install any available updates. If you're not receiving a text message with your verification code, try switching off Wi-Fi and using mobile data. Some networks and AVs block security messages. Turning off airplane mode for 10 seconds can also refresh your connection. Using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and check that the app's time is synced correctly. You can usually find this option under Sync Time for codes in the app settings. Once done, try logging in again. This solves most of your problems instantly. If that still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the Nutmeg app. This clears any corrupted login cache and reconnects you securely to Nutmeg servers. And if you've recently switched phones or changed your number, tap Can't Access Two-Factor to go through Nutmeg's secure recovery process. Once everything is since updated and reconnected, your two-factor authentication should start working perfectly again. Remember that extra code might feel like a small hassle, but it's a big part of keeping your investment safe and secure on Nutmeg.